All right, hi. Today I am going to show you how to import all of your materials into Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's your project. You have nothing in here and you need to get started. So you can hit Control I, which is import, or you can go up to File and down to Import. And then it is asking you to select where you're going to import from. So on mine, it's on my desktop, but you guys are all looking for your T drive and you're looking for your name. And then inside of your name folder, you're looking for videos. So I want to import all three of these videos in. So I'm hitting Control A, which will select them all. Then I'm going to hit Open. And now what's happening is it's popping right here over in the corner. And so I'm going to expand, make this a little bit bigger so I can see everything. So now I'm going to select off, so not all three of them are selected, and I'm going to pick one of them and drag and drop it onto the timeline. This is going to create my sequence. And now I have my first sequence. That's how you import everything into Adobe.